Bitcoin stays above $52,000, Ether stays below $3,000. Bitcoin holdings on Coinbase reach lowest level since 2015 as whale withdraw $1 billion BTC. UK government plans to have stablecoin and crypto staking rules within 6 months. Hong Kong exchange licensing clarity attracts traditional brokerages. Polygon-based lending platform to provide crypto liquidity for luxury items. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading higher as a strong build-up in futures open interest similar to the levels seen during 2021 continues to fuel optimism. Bitcoin traded near $52,000 crucial levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.3% at 66,520 points. Bitcoin recently topped $53,000 as net inflows in the spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds or ETFs reached record highs. Last week, the ETF issuers collectively received over $2.4 billion, while the trend demonstrates investor interest for such products. Furthermore, BlackRock is leading the ETF race, while according to data from crypto analytics firm LookOnChain, the popular asset management firm has accumulated 119,681 bitcoins worth approximately $6.23 billion. Alternatively, a CoinShares report showed that the exchange-traded products assets under management now stands at $67 billion, reaching its peak since December 2021. Meanwhile, the UK has become a major player in the holding and trading of Bitcoin. Recent data reveals a persuasive fact. The UK now trades third globally in terms of total value of Bitcoins held by investors. Well, analysts expect Bitcoin to revisit $69,000 before Bitcoin blockchain's fourth mining reward halving due on April 19. According to data from CoinGlass, the Bitcoin open interest has risen to more than $24 billion, the level seen in 2021. On the other hand, the broader market is largely trending higher, led by Ethereum, ETH, Binance Token, Solana, and others. Interestingly, an Ethereum whale has made a significant purchase of ETH worth $155.7 million as the price of Ethereum nears the $3,000 mark. The whale made strategic purchases, withdrawing 19,226 ETH valued at $55.6 million from Binance and swapping 10.1 million USDT for 3,493 ETH, equivalent to $65.7 million through 1inch. Interestingly, Solana Foundation has recently partnered with Filecoin in a groundbreaking collaboration, registering a significant milestone in the blockchain industry. The main aim of this partnership is to transform blockchain networks, data storage, and access mechanisms, reports highlighted. The global crypto market cap was at $1.96 trillion mark, decreasing 0.5% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 1% to $70.2 billion. In other news, leading blockchain solutions provider Ripple recently partnered with Commercial International Bank or CIB in Egypt. This comes after Ripple's plans to expand its presence in the United States, indicating significant efforts by the organization to expedite global expansion. Pixel, the native cryptocurrency of social Web3 blockchain games, Pixels and an Ethereum-based token saw significant gains of 18% within 24 hours after its launch. Well, just not that, Pixel token's trading volume surged to $1.4 billion. Sui, a Layer 1 blockchain platform, has seen a significant increase in inflows, surpassing competitors like Cardano, Near, and Aptos in terms of TVL. The network exceeded $593 million in DeFi protocols, a twofold increase from the beginning of the year, amounting to $211 million. US stock futures dropped lower as the market came off its first losing week in more than a month. Futures tied to the S&P 500 fell 0.3%, while Nasdaq 100 futures dropped 0.41%. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell by 0.32%. Well, Bitcoin was trading at $51,925, down by 0.5%. Talking about Ethereum, the second largest crypto, it was up by 0.3%, trading at $2,910. Talking about Binance's BNB token, it was up by 1.3% to trade at $355. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.4% to trade at $0.62. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 1% at $0.086, and Shiba Inu was trading up by 0.3%. Talking about Ripple's XRP token, it traded at $0.56, up by 2.2%. Next on the list, Polkadot was up by 0.3% to trade at $7.8. However, Solana Sol was down 1.5% and was trading at $109.6. Avalanche's AVAX was trading at $39, lower by 2%, and Polygon's Matic token was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.98.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Bitcoin holdings on Coinbase crypto exchange have fallen to their lowest level in 9 years as users move a significant chunk of their holdings off the exchange. According to a report from CryptoQuant, whales moved 18,000 Bitcoin worth nearly $1 billion off Coinbase over the weekend, with transfer values ranging from $45 million to $171 million. Coinbase's public order book now holds around 394,000 BTC, which is estimated to be worth $20.5 billion. Whales moving their BTC holdings away from centralized exchanges is considered a bullish sign as less Bitcoin is available for sale. However, users on social media are divided over the nature of the transfers. Some believe the funds are being moved to custodial wallets in anticipation of a price surge, with the upcoming Bitcoin halving just 2 months away, creating a supply shock. While a few others believe that the moved funds could be used for liquidity for over-the-counter trades. A UK minister has signaled a fresh commitment to introduce stablecoin and other crypto-related legislation to the country this year. Economic Secretary to the Treasury Bim Afolami said the UK government was pushing very hard to bring legislation around stablecoins and crypto staking services within the next 6 months, according to a Bloomberg report. "We are very clear that we want to get these things done as soon as possible, and I think over the next 6 months those things are doable," said Afolami, speaking at an event hosted by cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase in London on Monday. In October 2023, the Bank of England and the Financial Conduct Authority announced broad plans for overseeing the crypto sector in a coordinated fashion. The timeline for stablecoin rules indicated a consultation on final rules by mid-2024 and implementation of the stablecoin regime by 2025. Less than a year after Hong Kong regulators approved crypto exchanges, traditional financial institutions and brokerages alike have been keen to obtain their digital asset licenses for trading. In January, Chinese stock brokerage Tiger Brokers upgraded its Type 1 Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission to include crypto trading for professional investors and financial institutions based in Hong Kong. In an interview, John Fei Zing, Chief Financial Officer and Director of Tiger Brokers, explained that the firm currently has 865,500 funded accounts with a combined $18.9 billion in managed assets. The firm is currently evaluating additional digital assets such as altcoins for listing subject to regulatory approval alongside an international expansion strategy in licensed markets such as Australia, the US, Singapore, Hong Kong, the UK and New Zealand. A Polygon-based lending platform will use blockchain technology to solve the liquidity issues luxury collectible items owners face when converting their assets into cash. David Rivioli, an advisor to asset-backed lending platform Alter, said that the luxury item collector face several problems when converting their assets into cash. When selling to dealer, collectors could receive lower offers as dealers need to profit when reselling the items. Taking the auction route could raise better prices but also take a lot of preparation and requires the payment of third-party fees. The execution believes that blockchain can play a role in solving these hassles for collectors. According to Rovelli, Collectors can digitize their collectibles, create a digital certificate of ownership within the blockchain, and use the digitized assets as collateral to obtain loans on-chain quickly. The tokenization of real-world assets has been a growing topic of discussion in the crypto space. When asked about the importance of tokenization, Rovelli shared that it gives an extra layer of transparency in a sector where transparency was never the strength. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us also have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. An Ethereum whale has made a significant purchase of Ethereum worth $155.7 million as the price of Ethereum approaches the $3,000 mark. The whale withdrew a 19,226 Ethereum worth $55.6 million from Binance and swapped 10.1 million USDT for 3,493 Ethereum, equivalent to $65.7 million through 1inch. This aggressive investment strategy and belief in Ethereum's long-term value have led to a significant increase in market price and trading volume, with the current price at $2,906. ETH was trading at $2,920, up 0.28% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Sui. Sui, a layer 1 blockchain platform, has seen a significant increase in inflows, surpassing competitors like Cardano, Near, and Aptos in total value locked. The network developed on ex-Meta staff has exceeded $593 million in decentralized finance protocols, a twofold increase from its year start figure of $211 million. Sui has regained momentum and stability through inscription-related activities, generating 13.8 million blocks and reaching 6,000 transactions per second, boosting developers and investors' confidence. Sui was trading at $1.73, down near 5% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have Pixel. Binance has launched Pixels, the world's largest crypto by trade volume, with users now able to trade against supported assets like USDT and Bitcoin at zero fees. Pixels will be available as a new borrowable asset on Binance Margin and on Binance Futures with up to 50x leverage. Currently trading at $4,858, Pixel has a 24-hour volume of $257 million and allows users to farm the token. Pixel was trading at $0.58, up near 17% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have the Graph. The Graph project, which provides decentralized access to the blockchain data, has experienced a 60% surge in the past week, outperforming most major cryptocurrencies. The surge is attributed to the growing interest in artificial intelligence in the crypto market. GRT's decentralized indexing protocol offers simplified access to critical blockchain data, appealing to investors seeking exposure to the growing AI sector. The project has partnered with industry giants such as Coinbase and Aave, attracting larger audiences and driving demand for GRT tokens, demonstrating its potential for real-world use cases. GRT was trading at $0.2, down near 5% in the last 24 hours. Last on the list, we have Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu's 24-hour burn rate surged to 52 million SHIB in the past 48 hours, indicating a stronger community spirit. However, this trend reversed, indicating decreased inflationary pressure and increased token scarcity. AMB Crypto's analysis on sentiment showed a positive MVRV ratio, suggesting gains in SHIB. The mean coin age increased, suggesting accumulation among holders. Dormant circulation spiked on February 12th and 15th, potentially causing a wave of selling. Shiba Inu was trading down near 1.05% in the last 24 hours.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.